Hi guys, today I'll be teaching you on how to cut a simple sleeve for new beginners. So at this point, when you get your fabric, I am using a brown paper just for simple illustration. You fold your fabric or your fabric you fold it into two as shown. You first of all, you determine the length of your sleeve by marking out the base line, which can be from the top or from the downside. Then you rule your line to give you an accurate starting point. So at this point, you must have known if you want a short or a three-quarter or a long sleeve. Your client's measurements will determine all this, but I myself am using a very short sleeve. First of all, I mark out 4 inches from the baseline and down another 4 inches. With this, it will determine how the curve of my sleeve comes out from the measurements from my armhole, which determines how many inches I'll be using for the sleeve. So after cutting and ruling out the basic lines, that is a 4-inch that I marked from the base, I use the free hand from the middle, just from the middle of the box that I've drawn. I'll carve out the cup shape that leads to the armhole. So at the base it depends. Your client's round sleeve might be 12, it might be 14, it might be 15, it might be 16. You know what to do, you just divide it into 2. So why I give a measurement of this, it does depend on what your client is, but I'm not using it. That is not what we are looking at today. So with this, this is just a typical example of what I'm saying, but that is not what we are into. So I just need to cancel it out because it's not necessary at this point. What we are looking at is just the sleeve, how to cut out the sleeve. So at this point, I just have to draft out the marked 9. As you can see, is already coming out. Remember, you have to fold your fabric to achieve this. So friends, look at it. The sleeve is perfect. You can see the curve. You can even place it at your arm to see. You can even place it to see how beautiful it comes out, because definitely you are going to match it and you see how it is. Thank you. Like and subscribe. Thank you.